Yes, today we'll see something about the prime numbers. So what are prime numbers? So prime numbers is nothing but the numbers which are divisible by itself and by 1. So the definition I have written on the board, let us go with that. So prime numbers are nothing but the numbers which are divisible by 1 and itself. So here I have written two definitions. So one is like little using the divisibility rule we are done, and other is a very simple definition which has using your factors. So let us go with one by one today. So the prime number is nothing but the number which are divisible by itself and by 1 is called a prime number. Or I can see another definition which says that the numbers which has only two factors. So let us go with some example over here. So let me take 2. So 2 is nothing but the number which can divide by 1 and 2. This is called as what? Prime number. Okay, so we say that 2 is a prime number because why? The definition it follows. So 2 can be divisible by 1 and itself. Got it? And other examples, so I'll take 3. So which can be comes in 1 table and 3 table. How many factors we have here? We have only 2 factors. So what are the factors for 3? So only 1 and 3. So this type of numbers are called as what? Prime numbers. I can take another example, 5. So 5 means it can be divisible with 5 table and 1 table. So this is also called as what? Prime number. So I'll take other example. So let me take 10. What is a 10? So we have to check whether it's a prime or not. So to check that, I'm going to do something here. So whichever table I'll get to 10. So it can be divisible by 1 table, can be divisible by 2 table, can divide with 5 table, can divide with 10 table. So here it is contradiction to our definition. What is my definition says? It should have only 2 factors, but I'll be having 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 factors are there. So hence I will say this is not a prime number. So this type of numbers is not a prime number, and this are the examples for the prime number. So I'll give another example. So 7. So what is 7? So I can say that 7 can divide with 1 table, 7 can divide with 7 table. So this follows the definition of prime number. Therefore, I can say that prime numbers are 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. So it's continuous. Got it? Thank you.